Hi guys, my name is Takia and I am the designer behind Iconic Trends. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this loop stitch. It's a half double crochet loop stitch and it's so fun to make. So if you do like this tutorial, it's going to be a quick tutorial. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos that I make, crochet videos that I make. Also, I did make a tutorial for this wrap crop top, so go check that out. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the loop stitch is traditionally on one side of the fabric. So in between every row, you would do a half double crochet row, just so that you can get to the other side of the fabric. So first you would yarn over just like you would in a regular half double crochet. Then you would insert your hook. You would make a loop with your hand on the other side, the side that's not holding the hook, like a yarn over. And then you would grab the yarn. And then you would grab the other side of the yarn and pull it through the chain. You will have one, two, three, four loops on the hook. And then you will have a loop on your finger. You will then just drop that loop on your finger, yarn over, and then pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Okay? I'm gonna do it one more time. So you would yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain with your finger. You would have a yarn over on your finger. You would then grab the yarn from the bottom, just like this. Just grab it. And then you would pull through, but also grab the other side of the yarn to make a loop. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. You would drop the yarn on your finger. Then you would just yarn over and then pull through all loops on your hook. Okay, so I'm going to do it one more time, but a little bit faster. So thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed my tutorial. And if you did enjoy it, please consider watching my tutorial on how I made this wrap top out of loop stitches. And also, if you want to see more pictures of just the wrap top and ways that you can style it, head over to Instagram and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. TikTok is where I used to do most of my videos, but now I'm trying to focus more on YouTube. So but yeah, if you enjoy this video, please just, comment, like, and subscribe. So bye for now.